Welcome to a fascinating journey into the mind of one of history's most paradoxical inventors. Today, we explore the life, the mind, and the profound legacy of Alfred Nobel. Many people recognize the name from the prestigious annual awards, but the story is far more complex. We will uncover the discovery that changed the world, and the science that continues to shape our universe. Alfred Nobel was born in Stockholm, Sweden, on the 21st of October, 1833. He grew up in an era of intense industrial revolution, a time when human ingenuity began to reshape the planet. From a very young age, Alfred showed an extraordinary aptitude for languages, chemistry, and literature. His father, Immanuel Nobel, was an engineer, exposing Alfred to practical science from his earliest memories. The young Alfred spent his formative years traveling across Europe and the United States. He learned to speak 5 languages fluently, allowing him to absorb global scientific developments rapidly. His true passion lay in the study of explosives and chemical reactions, particularly the volatile liquid known as nitroglycerin. The slightest shock could cause a catastrophic explosion. Many scientists abandoned it, deeming it too unpredictable. Alfred, however, saw the potential. He believed if he could tame this substance, he could revolutionize construction. After years of tireless experimentation, Alfred made a monumental breakthrough in 1867. He discovered that mixing nitroglycerin with kieselguhr turned the liquid into a stable, malleable paste. He patented this invention under the name Dynamite, derived from the Greek word for power, dynamis. The invention of dynamite was a global sensation. It allowed construction companies to build roads with unprecedented speed. It accelerated global infrastructure development, essentially shrinking the world by connecting distant regions. This newfound ability to control such immense power brought Alfred Nobel unparalleled financial success. He established factories across the globe, eventually owning more than 90 different companies. Despite his fortune, Alfred remained a remarkably quiet man who preferred the company of his books. Alfred was an incredibly prolific inventor. By the time of his passing, he held 355 patents. His innovations included synthetic leather and artificial silk, always pushing the boundaries of science. In 1888, a French newspaper mistakenly published an obituary for Alfred, calling him the Merchant of Death. Alfred was deeply disturbed. He did not want to be remembered as the man who created mass destruction. Determined to rewrite his legacy, he drafted a final will and testament in 1895. He dedicated his fortune to establishment of prizes recognizing contributions to humanity in various fields. The categories were physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace, reflecting Alfred's own passions. The first Nobel Prizes were awarded in 1901, 5 years after his passing. Over the decades, it has become the most prestigious, universally recognized honor in science and culture. His will directed that his fortune be invested in safe securities, using the income to fund the prizes. Today, the prize amount is approximately 11 million Swedish kronor, about $1 million. The Royal Swedish Academy and other institutions ensure total independence and integrity in the selection. Now, let us dive into the intersection of these awards and the fundamental forces of our universe. Recent prizes recognize the discovery of supermassive black holes at the center of our Milky Way. Cosmology also plays a critical role, with prizes awarded for discovering the cosmic microwave background. In 2011, the prize recognized the discovery that our universe's expansion is actually accelerating. Dark energy comprises 68% of the universe, a mystery that continues to be explored. Moving to the tiny scale, quantum mechanics explores the strange behavior of subatomic particles. In 2022, the prize was awarded for experiments with entangled photons. These technologies paved the way for quantum computing, exactly the progress Alfred wished to encourage. The first Nobel Prize in physics went to Wilhelm Röntgen for his revolutionary discovery of X-rays. This discovery allowed doctors to view internal injuries without invasive surgery, a medical revolution. In physiology or medicine, James Watson and Francis Crick determined the structure of DNA. This opened up molecular biology, laying the foundation for modern genetics and personalized medicine. Advancements continue, with prizes awarded for the discovery of viruses like hepatitis C. Chemistry has seen advancements like lithium-ion batteries, the backbone of modern electronics. This innovation helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lowers global carbon emissions. Another breakthrough is CRISPR, a genetic editing tool allowing scientists to change DNA with high precision. The Peace Prize recognizes efforts to promote peace, resolve conflicts, and advance human rights. It serves as a reminder that scientific advancement must be accompanied by social responsibility. The award encourages humanity to choose cooperation and diplomatic solutions over conflict. Today, the ceremonies celebrate human achievement, inspiring future generations to pursue science. The Nobel Museum preserves these stories, reminding us of the dedicated researchers behind every breakthrough. When we examine the broader impact of the Nobel Prize, we must recognize how the Foundation handles ethical dilemmas and technological breakthroughs. The Nobel committees are often faced with the challenge of awarding discoveries that have both beneficial and potentially harmful applications. The legacy of Alfred Nobel requires the institution to carefully evaluate the long-term ethical consequences of scientific research before honoring the recipients. The development of the atomic bomb changed global geopolitics forever. Scientists who contributed to this research later dedicated their lives to advocating for nuclear disarmament and peaceful cooperation. This tension is central to the spirit of the Peace Prize, which seeks to counterbalance the destructive capabilities created by modern physics and chemistry by rewarding those who actively work to prevent conflict. The study of astrophysics and cosmology continues to reveal the hidden secrets of the universe. In recent years, the prize recognized the discovery of gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of space and time. These waves are produced by violent events, such as the collision of two black holes, providing a completely new way for scientists to observe the cosmos. Gravitational waves were predicted by Albert Einstein more than 100 years ago, but observing them required highly sensitive technology. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, known as the LIGO project, utilized advanced laser technology to measure microscopic changes in distance. The discovery earned the Nobel Prize in Physics, confirming another critical aspect of the theory of general relativity. In the field of chemistry, the development of nanotechnology has opened up new possibilities for advanced materials. Nanotechnology involves the manipulation of matter at an atomic and molecular scale. The invention of the scanning tunneling microscope allowed scientists to visualize individual atoms, leading to the creation of incredibly strong and lightweight materials that are transforming the aerospace and electronics industries. The discovery of fullerenes, which are soccer ball-shaped carbon molecules, earned the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. These carbon structures possess unique electrical and thermal properties, making them ideal for developing advanced conductors and stronger synthetic fibers. This research demonstrates how fundamental chemical discoveries can evolve into practical industrial applications within a few decades. Physiology or medicine has also benefited greatly from structural biology. The development of cryo-electron microscopy allowed scientists to freeze biological molecules in mid-movement, producing high-resolution images of complex proteins. This technique earned the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, as it enabled researchers to understand the exact shape and function of viruses and cellular receptors. Understanding the three-dimensional structure of proteins is crucial for the development of targeted pharmaceutical treatments. By seeing the exact structure of a disease-causing molecule, scientists can design specific drugs that fit into the active sites of the proteins, neutralizing them effectively. This approach has revolutionized pharmacology and reduced the time required to develop life-saving medications. The nomination process for the Nobel Prizes is kept strictly confidential for 50 years. Thousands of qualified nominators from around the world submit their proposals, and the committees review every candidate thoroughly. This long period of secrecy ensures that the deliberations remain independent of political pressure and public opinion, allowing the institutions to focus entirely on the merit of the work. While the science prizes are presented in Stockholm, the Peace Prize is uniquely awarded in Oslo, Norway. This division was specified in the original will of Alfred Nobel, reflecting the political and cultural climate of the union between Sweden and Norway at the end of the 19th century. The Norwegian Nobel Committee operates entirely separately from the Swedish institutions. Beyond the monetary reward, the Nobel Prize provides laureates with a unique global platform to advocate for their causes. Many laureates use their influence to address the United Nations, advise world governments, and raise awareness about critical global issues, ranging from climate change to human rights violations, fulfilling the broader humanitarian mission of the Foundation. The legacy of Alfred Nobel continues to evolve in response to modern challenges. The Nobel Foundation has introduced new educational programs and digital archives to share the discoveries with the public. Through these efforts, the prize remains a powerful symbol of the potential of human intellect and our ongoing commitment to improving the world. Alfred Nobel's transformation shows that it is never too late to reshape your legacy. As we look to the future, the pursuit of knowledge remains our greatest endeavor. Science and innovation are the driving forces behind a better future for all of us. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing for more stories. See you in the next video.